Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another Fibonacci trading strategy video, yes, of those kind of Fibonacci concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option, turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So this is a fake breakout, but I cannot trade this because of the Fibonacci level. I want to show you how to trade the Fibonacci level and not. Okay, yes, nice. I will do anyway a put, yes, because this is a Fibonacci level, the 61.5 out of the 161.8 Fibonacci level, and that's the reason why I'm entering here into a put, yes. That is what I would say the BOTT sure short 5. Yes, and that is also one of those reasons why I'm doing this Fibonacci levels. I want to show you more of the BOTT sure shots. BOTT sure shot 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, those three, and that is BOTT sure shot 5. And yes, so let's see what's happening here. I saw this immediately. Yes, somebody asked me in the comment section how I can see immediately the Fibo ratios. Yes, you have to apply them. You have to apply the Fibonacci levels over and over again, yes, to understand this. So I will do a call here because I have seen this kind of scenario often. This is a consolidation area at the 161.8 Fibonacci level. We have an uptrend. We got now into a consolidation area at the 161.8 Fibonacci level, and I'm doing here a trend continuation trade after this retracement of this uptrend, yes. And you see how I apply those kind of concepts which I have explained over and over again, and I have done this ebook because of this kind of things. That is based on my experience. I have traded those kind of things over and over again 1,000 times, and this all done in this ebook, yes, and brought this to you. So okay, let's see what's happening here. This candlestick is not convincing me anymore, yes, because I was expecting a little bit bigger candle, yes, a little bit bigger. This is not convincing me. That told me here maybe that we are getting here in a reversal. We are here in a strong consolidation area also, not only of the Fibonacci level, also of the EMAs. Yes, that is why we have to place the EMAs on the chart to understand this. So we have here the 100, and here we the 0, and we are here in no man's land. And because there was the EMA, I was not sure what to do. Maybe we are getting now a double top. Yes, and that is the second the retest. And if the next candle will be, yes, if this candle will close below the 200 EMA, I will enter in the next candle into a put. Yes, but not if this will be an inverted bullish hammer. Because if it will be an inverted bullish hammer, okay, it's closed exactly on the 200 EMA, and that means to me a put again. Yes, I will do a put now because the wick of the previous candle is telling me that we have selling pressure. We are in no man's land between the 0 and the 23.6 level, and that is the reason why I'm doing a put here. And you see it's forming something what looks like a double top, yes, a mini double top. That concepts which I have explained in the ebook, yes. Watch those things and you will get profitable, yes, but you have to understand those concepts. You have to practice them, yes, and doing this over and over again, applying Fibonacci, looking for recognizing candlestick pattern, chart pattern, all those kind of things. You see mini double top here, yes, so you could do here another trade after this broke of the neckline, yes, all those kind of things. So I'm a little bit busy, so I would say that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.